Hey guys, welcome to another Warhead using blocks tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about the text code block. The text code block allows you to add custom text to your website. The nice thing about Warhead is it allows you to do nearly anything you want without having to use code, but at the same time it doesn't limit you from using it either. So you can also use the text code block to add custom HTML, JavaScript, and even CSS code to your website. Let's get started. Today, we want to add some copyright text below our footer. So the first thing we're going to do is create a new sector in a new row, just like that. The next thing we want to do is click Add Block and scroll down the block list until you see the text code block. Then select it. These are the text code block settings. It's very basic and simple. All you do is enter the text or code that you want to appear on the website. We're going to add some copyright text, just like that. See, it's very basic and simple, and it's seen on almost any type of website. Now, let's say you want to link your web store to your home page. You can also add custom code, just like that. Now that our text and our code has been entered, we can add the block. And if you scroll down, you'll see our copyright text has been added. And your web store is a link. Now, the only thing left to do is to style your text however you want. Alright, now our copyright text has been styled to match our theme, and it looks great. There you have it. You've just seen how easy it is to use the text code block to add custom text and HTML to your website. Thanks for watching.